Hi everyone. Our today lab is Generative AI with Vertex AI Prompt Engineering. The link for this lab is given in the description box. Once you click on that link, this page will be opened. So all you have to do is just log in into your account and continue with this lab. So let's start the lab. Click on Start Lab. Once your lab has started, click on select your username first and then click on Open Google Cloud Console. So paste your username here. Click on Next. Copy your password. Paste your password here. Click on I understand. Click on no thanks. Click on I agree to the terms. Click on agree and continue. Now there will be a link given in the description box. All you have to do is this is my link http console cloudgoogle.com vertex AI workbench user managed. Copy that link, paste it in the new tab, click on enter. So here you have to copy your username from the lab and paste it here. Click on next. Copy the password from the lab and paste it here. Click on next. So this page will be opened as you can see here. Click on open Jupyter Lab. Click on generative AI as you can see in the left bar. Here you can see generative AI, right? So click on that. Select language. Select prompts. Click on intro prompt design. Just move your cursor towards the right side. Here in this tab, just put your cursor here and click on Control A. That means everything in this has been selected. As you can see, this blue thing. So now go to Run. Click on Run selected cells. So the timer here will be started. So you have to wait until this timer is over. Now the timer is completed. So you have to complete the other thing, that is click on examples. Click on ideation. So after selecting ideation, you'll see this. Similarly, just put your cursor here somewhere in this tab and select Control A. The whole thing gets selected and then go to Run. Click on Run selected cells. The timer gets on. You have to wait until the timer is completed. The timer got completed. So just go back to your lab. We have to check our progress and then end the lab. So go to task 1 and then here you have to check your progress and then you can just end your lab. Just check your progress of all things. And once you get the tick mark, it means that you have completed that task. If you won't get a tick mark, if it's showing that it is incomplete, then you have to do the whole thing as stated after starting the lab. That is, you have to start with open Google Cloud Console again and then log in and just paste the link given and everything again from the beginning. Else, if it shows as completed, then you can just end your lab. So, as you can see here, all my tasks are completed, and this is the last one. This is also completed. So, I'm completed with all my tasks, and I'm going to end the lab. Click on submit, give some stars, click on submit. Now we are done with the lab. If you want to check whether you have completed this lab or not, just go back, click on the menu button given on the top left corner, click on profile, click on activities. Here you can see generative AI with Vertex AI, the lab which we have done just now. So the progress for this is passed. So I got a tick here. That means that I have completed this lab. If you won't get a tick here, if it states like this as stated below here, empty, then you have to do the lab all over again from the very beginning. And remember that you should not do a lab more than 5 times. If you do it more than 5 times, the quota will be completed, and if you won't complete the lab within 5 times, you won't get another chance to complete the lab, and you'll be out of this game. So just remember that the first time, please do it according to the video which we have posted. Otherwise, you'll be just removed from this whole program. So just remember that one thing. And if you have answered and checked progress of each and every question given in the lab, then only you will be given the score 100 by 100 and then given as passed. That is, the tick mark will be visible. Otherwise, your score will be something for what you have answered. That is, if there are 3 questions and by mistake you didn't see one question and you answered only 2 questions, then your progress will be 60% and your lab won't be completed. That is, you won't have a tick mark here. So just remember, before ending the lab, just check whether you have answered all the questions or not. Just remember this point. Thank you, guys.